Hey guys, we're back at ECS Tuning with Patrick from Meyle to go over some more parts. So what do we have here today?
Actually, it's a part that would fit on your GTI as well, but we will probably figure out that it's not so important to you, but maybe very interesting to the people out in the normal world, apart from the racetrack. Yeah, exactly. So we got a wheel hub out of your GTI. And what actually happens on these kind of systems is that we got the ABS ring. It's part of the wheel hub. So basically, if there's something going wrong on the ABS system or ESP, so on the sensor, or we used to call that an encoder ring, that actually is sending the signal to the sensor, and the sensor is giving the signal to the ABS and ESP unit.
Gotcha.
What actually is happening, and that's something you can just feel by yourself, is that this ring is hardly affected by corrosion. So
this one's a little crusty.
So you can imagine what happens with the signal.
Right.
It's not really
accurate
or not even visible anymore for the sensor.
Right.
Because one thing that actually happens, because that metal ring is affected with that corrosion, first of all, the sensor ring is going to get a little bit bigger just because of the corrosion effect. And then in certain areas, and this is what we usually have these magnets cards good for, that you can check these ABS rings, that actually shows you in which areas the ring is still okay. And then of course, we come to an area, I mean, this is now a hard example, but you definitely can see that there is something missing.
That's pretty cool.
So, and that is leading to a failure in the system, and ABS and ESP will be switched off. So what we got with that wheel hub, which is a quite expensive unit. So whenever you have that defect with a corroded ABS sensor ring, there is no need to replace the whole hub. So what we're trying to do all the time is we're finding repair solution that actually allows the people not only replace this, we want to get the people back to the older days to repair things. It's the enthusiasts, it's the mechanics, whoever is going to repair the cars, they should have a chance to repair things instead of spending so much money on new parts.
Right.
It's
so
also
this is something we could do trackside then.
Absolutely. If necessary, you can do that with a couple of simple tools. Take off that ring, put the new one back on. Once again, you can check the ring with the ABS detector card if the proper job was done. Then we got, in addition to this, the sensor comes, by the way, in an ESD package. So it's something that you can feel if you have an air balloon and you grind it on your hair, then you have this static electric effect that your hair is standing up in the air. And so once you open the box, this package makes sure that the static already is flowing from your hand, from your body, to the package and not into the sensor. Okay. Otherwise, you will destroy the sensor immediately.
Right.
Because it's an active sensor. And the reason why we put the sensor next to the box is that just because of that corrosion effect, you see that the sensor in front of it is already grinding marks. So it has been running over that corrosion surface. It was just a matter of time until the sensor would fail too. Well. So that's why we put it in the box to replace the whole thing and make sure the wheel hub is ready for the next round in your case.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again to Meyle for being here and showing us all these awesome parts. If you're interested in checking out any of these products, check out the link down in the description, like and subscribe, and check out the next videos.